I'm really on a mission. I'm trying to see if I can, oops. I'm trying to see if I can find something for Mackenzie. Her bed is falling apart. I know I bought it here at Ikea. And it's lasted, all her life. It's 10 years. It's a 10-year-old bed. So I'm trying to see if I can find a bed for just a frame. Still have mattresses and stuff. And then, so I can replace that bed. Okay, so this is what I'm looking for. This is gonna be her birthday gift. So, yeah, I didn't even bring a cart. What was I thinking? Oh, it's super long. Oh, I hope it fits in my car. Look, a cart. Woohoo. Steal this one. Now I am about to unbox Mackenzie's bed. I'm so happy. I get to unbox her bed, get it for putting together. I'm gonna actually stain it with the gray and see what I'm gonna do about the back, the headboard, change it up a little bit because that IKEA frame, it's fine, but it's just not what I want for her bed. So this is gonna be cute. I hope. I got a whole lot of stuff from Home Depot, free samples of like the wood thing, because they have them there, and I just got all different kind of colored woods. Maybe I'll get more, but I got mostly gray because the stain is gray. I stained 2 things in the gray, and I still have some left over, so that keeps my budget from going all the way up. And she doesn't mind gray, and it goes really great with her favorite color, which eventually I want to get her a comforter in that color, because apparently I just can't get it right now. So here we go, unboxing first. Here's the stuff. Let's see how I'm gonna do this. I can't hold this and unbox at the same time. I wish I had made the boy help me, but I didn't. So I'm using right here little min wax wood finish in the gray. For the most part, it comes off clear. It depends on how many coats I put in. I am not going to put a whole lot of coats on it. I'm just going to do a little bit of making it weathered looking. Besides, I don't really know how much I have. I don't think I'll cover all of it with more than one coat. We'll see after the first coat dries how much I need to fix it. And I forgot to record, or I didn't have my phone on me when I picked up the part of the headboard, but I'll show you that in a little while. So, look, excuse my ashy hands, but that's what that looks like. It's very dark, but this is the same thing I used for my other things. I'm gonna get something to mix that up. I don't even have one of those sticks to mix it with. Yeah, I'm just gonna use this brush to mix it up real good there. Wow, it came out a lot grayer than I expected it to come out. It usually comes pretty clear. Like, it just runs off and becomes just really clear. But I think it's just because I'm using the brush. Because you also want to get a cheesecloth like this. So this is the final result of mixing the thing with tempera. I really like the color. I hope she likes it too, because it's definitely not white and it's definitely not straight up gray. I really like that I just steamed it, and yeah, that's really nice. Finding the grading on it. It's beautiful. So gorgeous. I really love how it turned out. And hopefully the rest of it will turn out this way too. Okay, it's the next day, and what we're gonna do now, it's all stained, the wood. It's nice and pretty and dry, and I can hold on to it without getting stuff on my hands. This is great. So now what I'm gonna do is put the headboard pieces together. So these are the pieces for the headboard I've got here, and we're gonna put them together so then I can make the complete headboard. I don't like that it's wide open, and I'll show you what I mean that it's wide open once I put the first part of it together. And then, so since I don't like that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill in the gaps with a hardboard from the background. So here we go. I don't know if I should. Probably I won't. I probably won't paint it. Probably not. I hope the hardboard isn't too much bigger than the headboard, so that I don't have to worry about cutting it down, because I didn't get it cut down, but I think it's a good size for a headboard. So let's see how this is gonna work. So I've got less than 15 minutes to demolish my daughter's bed so that it is ready for me to put up the other bed before she gets back from school. Okay, I have to go to work. It's just too bad you can't see the headboard from here, but let's see how she reacts. Did you see down outside?
Yes. My bed was dead.
I told you I was gonna throw it away.
My bed died. I can't go
Yeah,
in
it
my
did.
room.
What? No. Come here. I want her to go in there first.
Okay. I was just asking. What happened? I don't see a bed. I just see sheets. Oh.
Take that pillow off. Take that top one off.
Oh my god!
Yeah, look at them.
It's great.
What?
It's great. What?
No, you didn't look. Look at what I did to that headboard.
Oh, that's what you were saying. I see now.
Do you like it?
Yeah. Thank you.
How's
Her
it feel?
reactions are terrible.
They are. You're like, it's a bed.
Wait.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. You fix. Whoa, wait, what?
Oh wait, what? It's her birthday.
Hey, that's mine. No. This thing. Whoa. Come back here.
Open it.
Open this. Thank you.
Do you like the bed?
Yeah.
How's it feel?
Wait, I gotta make her card real quick.
Good. Feels good.
Yeah.
It's better than before.
But like, I'm sorry. I'm just like dancing to DNA. That dance is very hard. Thank you. I'll put it back right here.
That's it for today's DIY. I mean, it was totally inexpensive and so much fun to do. And if you want more videos like this, please subscribe. Hit the like button. Hit that thumbs up. Give me a like. Share the video. Leave me a comment on something that I could DIY. Any ideas that you may have. Till next time, much love. Bye.